Hey guys, I cannot believe we're at quarantine day 102. Not sure when that happened. That's incredible. Kind of losing my mind over it. I've really been trying to stay positive and keep myself active and keep myself productive and doing things, whether that's making a video or whether that's just being productive in other ways. I have been kind of popping off around the house and doing a bunch of little projects here and there. I've actually been staying at my parents' house for a little bit, so I haven't been here in a little while and I haven't vlogged in a while, so this is nice. This feels good, like talking to you guys again. Today is going to be a huge cleaning montage. Today I'm wearing a full Fabletics outfit because your girl is a Fabletics ambassador and you guys know that already. The June drop was by far one of my absolute favorites for one reason and one reason only: this tank top. It is so cute. It's the perfect fit. It's the perfect length. It's ribbed, which is just like super trendy. I mean, I feel like this is a top that I would wear just to go out in. This is the Kinsey seamless soft rib tank and I have it in white and black. I think it fits me perfectly. Big fan of this. I would recommend this if you guys are gonna go purchase anything at all. I'll have my link in the description box below. This tank top and then the high-waisted power hold leggings in the 7/8 length in gray is what I'm wearing as well. I'm typically not big on colorful leggings, so I usually am just like a strictly black legging person, but this light gray color I think is really nice and it's still really flattering for me. So if I was to recommend a color, that's probably what I would recommend when I am able to collab creatively with a brand that I 100% am on the same page with. That's a really crucial thing when it comes to what I do, and finding people that are like-minded and have the same core values. It's such an important thing to me, so I absolutely love that I get to work with them, and I absolutely love that I get to share this with you. So if you guys want to browse around on their website, I'll have a link for you in the description box below. Just take a look. They're kind of my favorite things to wear around the house, especially on days like this when I have so much cleaning to do. I think I'm gonna do a workout later today, but I figured I would just change and get ready for that, and then I can also just really clean and get sweaty in this and not even worry about it. So that's kind of my plan. I'm going to finish my coffee really quick and get started with the garage. Chloe, at a certain point this last month, our house went from very clean and organized to extremely dirty for a couple of reasons. One, we're just all off our game. Two, we actually cleaned out the entire mailroom and turned it into kind of like a little gym. We have a Peloton bike in there now and that was great. However, that meant we had to get everything out of that room and organize. So we are starting today's video off in the garage because we have a huge mess of junk over here, donatable stuff over here, and today's the day that I get rid of it all. I'm very excited about this. I feel like I need this for my mental health. I feel like we just need cleanness. It's been so dirty and it's been so nasty for a while. It's gonna feel so good to get rid of it. Also, update. I feel like an actual dad. I made a big purchase. I've never purchased anything like this before in my life, but I've purchased a shed and I feel like a dad. It's not a giant shed, but it's the perfect size shed. It has just enough room to hold tools. There's some hooks over here. This can hold a hose. I'm gonna maybe get some shelves, but as of right now, this is gonna hold a bunch of tools that we have just like in our garage right now. As roommates for like the past few months, we have tried really hard to try to catch up on all of the boxes, break them down and get them into our dumpsters over here. The problem is our dumpsters just aren't big enough for the amount of boxes that we have. So today is the long awaited day where we finally called a dump truck to come to the house and they're going to get rid of all of this. I'm very excited. We have furniture boxes over here, more furniture boxes over here. All of the things that were in the mailroom are in this general area as well as in this box and in that box, and yeah, it's all gonna go today. And then everything over here is donatable. We're excited to get rid of all of this too. This is just junk and we want it out of the house. So the junk truck just left. The garage is so clean right now. I'm kind of really losing it. This is beautiful. We can park the car again. I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna, I think, put a bunch of tools into the shed now. Yeah. We have come a long way. Here is the finished result of everything. I'm so excited. Everything's kind of just like neatly stacked. I'm not really trying to get too deep into organization, but we can officially park our cars in the garage now, and it hasn't been that way in like 2 months. So I'm really pumped for that. Here is what we have left from all the tools. Everything else that was over here is now in the shed. Here are the last bit of like giveaway boxes stuff that needs to be opened still. We have to figure out what to do with my old headboard. I don't know if you guys remember that headboard, but that was from my second apartment. I got it for my birthday. That's what this pile is. We're gonna be going through that like over the next couple of weeks. I stuffed everything else that was piled over here onto the shelf unit. I didn't think I'd be able to fit 3 boxes, but I did it on each one, so that was exciting. We have our Christmas here and then just an extra cooler on top. These are just some old pillows we're gonna give to Laura so she can have, which means this whole entire base right here is gonna be completely open. And guys, when I say that it hasn't been open like this in a couple months, it has been like impossible to walk through. You guys saw the beginning of this. It was messy. This feels so good. I'm so excited. I feel like such an adult right now. This is 30, guys. I'm gonna take a little break and then I think I'm going to vacuum and mop the floors. Cue dope time lapse. So while I was vacuuming, I accidentally vacuumed up. I felt it happen. I was using the handheld part of the vacuum, like the hose, and I just kind of like, without looking, like ran it under my dresser, and all of my jewelry is on top of my dresser, and I heard it like suck up what was probably a necklace. So I just dug in the trash can, covered in dust, and I found the necklace. It's a necklace my dad gave me, so I'm so glad I noticed, because I easily could have not noticed. So I just rinsed it off. There we go. Not letting that happen again. In other news, this corner of the kitchen has been a dark corner. It was like a dark abyss corner. We had the air fryer here, a bunch of like snacks and stuff. I looked at Alicia and she was like, oh, just like change the shelf under here, which I'm like really upset about because I like never really thought about that, because I tried putting it in the shelf and it didn't fit. She was like, oh, just lift the thing, which, just side note, was a lot harder than it sounds, but I did it. So now instead of this shelf being halfway through, I can fit this guy in. I have all the protein up here, and then I just had to lay the bottles flat, which totally works fine. And then we have a bunch bunch of other like BCAAs and like protein mixes and stuff all the way up here, but it works because it's all short enough. So this is the new situation, which means that this corner is cleaner than it's ever been ever. Hey guys, I ordered something a while ago that I definitely didn't need. Not necessary really in any way. Someone that I follow on Instagram, Thai French, you guys have probably followed him too, posted a picture with the coolest clock I've ever seen, and I had to get one. It's an old style flip clock. Thinking of putting it there, but it could technically go here too. Apparently this was delivered a while ago and I just had no idea because that's how messy our garage was. But I digress. I'm gonna set this clock up and then figure out exactly where to put it. Okay guys, bad news. It takes a D battery. Who has D batteries just lying around in their house anymore? That's not a thing. So I have currently Postmated it because your girl's lazy and does not want to go pick up a single D battery. That should be coming within like a half hour to 45 minutes. However, I think I picked a spot for the clock. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here or not, but I think this is really cute. I like how it's by my bed. Maybe I'll ask Taryn. Can I get your opinion?
Yes.
Come in here. I got a clock.
Oh, that's cool.
It's dope, right? Do we like it here or do we like it there instead?
I think I like it there better.
Okay, done, 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 done. Okay guys, Taryn decided on the shelf, so it's gonna be sticking there for the foreseeable future. I think I'm gonna do like a half-hour ride, maybe even a 20-minute ride. We'll see what I get done with. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go cycle or something. I said that already. Wrap it up, Ashley. Wow. Shower. My batteries finally came. The Postmates came and delivered it finally. So I just put it in and I'm trying to figure out exactly how to do this. It is 7:06 p.m. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, I think I did it. If it changes on its own, then I did it and I'm good to go. Oh, guys, it did it on its own. That was so exciting. I'm pumped. That was the most exciting thing that's happened to me all day long. I had a very productive day and that was just the cherry on top. Okay.
I know you guys are like, what?
Alicia rented a car.
So as everyone knows, for the past, few years, I've been in the market for a car, but I'm way too indecisive and overthink everything, and basically I still just have my first car.
Very first car.
Yes, love Henry. But I'm so indecisive that I get a better sense of a car when I rent it versus just test driving for 2 seconds, because I'm like, well, I don't know.
Well, also because of like the line of cars that you're looking at, it's a big purchase, so it's like I would rather really know how I feel about a car.
Like I just want to drive a car like where I'm gonna be driving it, like I want, So I haven't mentioned it to my vlog yet.
This is so fun. This is nice. Like this feels very therapeutic.
Yeah, right.
Especially with like being stuck inside all the time. Like it feels really nice to get out and like feel the air.
And I wonder if I should go, but you wanted me to stay, and I feel like I should go, and you wanted it that way. No one else built these walls made of pure glass, I here to fall. No one else taking my calls. Can you see right through me? Crystal castle, cracking or crumble. Weightless in the morning, in the evening I'll stumble. Living in a vision.
What did you just say?
What's the clock?
You want to come see? Ta-da!
Oh!
It's dope, right?
Does it flip?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
Urban Outfitters.
Cute.
It's super cute, right?
That's super cute.
I know, I love it.
Very you.
Very me. So I told Alicia that I was going to make protein pancakes She insisted on me using her recipe. These are pink because they have cherries. Add a little bit of almond butter, just a little bit.
Why would you use a steak knife?
Because it's already dirty.
Ooh.
There we go.
No, you gotta make it even for your first bite.
Come on, Ash.
Think of like a cake.
Like a cake.
Yeah.
Like you spread.
Like a cake?
Cake.
Put some dates on top. And then honey. A
Wow.
lot of honey. Ooh, that's nice.
Oh.
Ooh, that's nice.
I made this the other day and I'm like, I can't freaking wait for you to try it. Also, I was really just checking your settings for 2 seconds. Okay. You're gonna love it.
They look like red velvet, the inside of them.
Yeah.
Let me turn this up.
Oh yeah, that looks way better.
Wow.
Look at you, my producer.
They do look like red velvet. I know. I told you. I
And my